Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is day 5, our English learning journey. I may challenge myself. Today I wanna our this today is day 5 while speaking English in front of the camera for next 90 days. So also I upload some other video like how I learn English and tell them people some tips you can start to learn English. So if you learn English, please watch the video, like hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and join us. We need you, which is brand new channel. So today we're gonna explain some random questions. I prepared some bunch of questions right here, so I'm gonna explain them without struggling like a speaker. So let's get started. So the first question we get here right here is, if you could only eat one type of food for the rest of your life, what will you choose? If I choose one food, if I would love to eat a rest of my life one food, I want to eat all my life, what would I choose? I really this question is maybe what I love the most. I really don't like eating food so much, and but I like one thing is tea. I would love to drink all my life. Like every day, right? I would love to drink 2 times or twice. Yeah, twice or maybe if I can get three, I can drink. So maybe I would love to drink it. But the question is, eat. If I want to eat, I want for the rest of my life. I would love to eat maybe beef or food. I mean meat. I don't know my favorite food. I have no favorite food at all. So we need to eat a healthy food. So I'm gonna choose oats. Oats.
What?
I would love to eat oats all my life. It's easy to make, just 3 minutes. It takes 3 minutes. So I'm gonna eat oats, and it's not just you. Yeah, I think easy. So what? Move another one. The next question is, which is better, reading book or watching the movie version of the history? So reading books or watching movies, which is better? For me, I prefer to watch movies. I really don't like reading so much. If I wish I could read, but I really don't like reading books, and I don't have any book. Like I bought this one right here, that one right there. I'm in here, and I was just see in Amazon. I just order it, and when I buy, I even didn't see. I just bought almost 3 months ago, and I didn't see what is going on there. So I don't like reading. Maybe I prefer to watch a movie, and kind of yeah. The next question is, if you had the power to change the weather for one day, what would you choose? Maybe yeah, I would love to change if I have the power to change the weather only one day. I would love to make that day the month Fairhouse month is a lot of times the seasons a bit different. Some is summer, some winter. So the whole day I would bring people a lot of rain everywhere. Like whole that day just be rainy, and then maybe it's gonna be rainy. I would love to change the weather a rainy day. So that's yeah. The next question is, what would happen if people suddenly started walking on their hands instead of their feet? This is a funny question. What would happen if the people suddenly started walking with their hands instead of feet? So right now we're gonna walk feet. But if suddenly people start to work at the hands, what would happen? I think a lot of people, if they try to work their hands, maybe maybe man we can work his hand, it's gonna be all right. I don't know what happened. I think something will happen. It's gonna be a chance. We would love to see that chance. I don't know. So is the last question we get is, which infection, oh not infection, which invention do you think is the most useful in your daily life? Invention, this word is really, I don't know this word so much. Invention. Yo, guys, I really have no idea about this word. Please, if you know this question, it's just question. Let me repeat again. You need to answer if you know this question at the comment. Which invention do you think is the most useful in your daily life? This question is for me, but I'm gonna leave there here. So answer at the comment if you know this uh, question. Just answer at the comment. So that is the other video today. I think that we just want to speak English for a while. We will communicating and not feeling so overwhelming. So I just want to speak English and try to speak like a native speaker, and that is can post our English speaking everything. So guys, that is all today's video. We just want to explain those questions. So tell us at the comment what's your English level. For me, my English level is B2. I hit B2. I'm between B2 B1. So you see my speaking, my accent is everything. It's just a normal. So please join us, hit the like button, subscribe to our video, and open the bell button to get more video. We're gonna make every day. We'll speak in English any video. So like is very important for us. Please hit the like button.